anyị kwugo ihe ndị anyị kwesị ikwu ike agwụgo anyị na this thing neye ka m kụọrọ ya aka neye wuru odogwu if neye can be like this onye nwazi ka die ya adị ka m kụọrọ di ya aka ịgbachiri ike na nwanyị and God will bless you. Thank you for your support.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Good evening, everyone. Anụ m ihe kwuru.
Yes.
Ihe na-aka ọsụchakwa n'ihe ndị a ma ejuọ m peer group and societal pressure.
Okay.
Yes, in terms of peer group, people in gila ha na-aga. I hope ngaso completely. People people you mix up with while growing up, and people you decide to associate with, they influence you more than your parents, because you as a grown-up person, your parents may decide to guide you, but due to peer group influence and also the kind of people you hang around with, you may not be able to listen to your parents. If we can give you a ham, you want your Gen Z, can use that way, you want your Gen Z, your parents old school. Along the line, you make a mistake. And we get with no again, I'll be 35, 40, give ya live way in regrets. And we have everything theory. Give ya live way in regrets. Give live way in regrets. So in a live in regret now. That's in name had that time in the young. Get was in me now, okay, and then I'm working bananka. So most of them now peer group and also societal pressure. Onye go ne moto, ego be mu. Onye this guy ne go ne nka ego be. We start knowing that nyonya haneme. And most of them are trying to when you like as ego mbute now. That is the summary of everything. Everybody na cho ego mbute. You are not ego mbute, ba na ebute ego without him the consequence. Agahama the consequences. What is yes, they want to do it with open eye. What is yes, they know the consequences, but they still want to go ahead to do that particular thing. So I think if people will be able to sieve out the kind of friends and they may associate with, and also forget about what people will say, focus on your life, I think the world will be a better place for everyone. Yeah.
Thank you so much, my dear. Then, now you only yours on Chejugi. Only on Chejugi.
Okay.
Our people now facilitate this thing because it's the Mumbai school and I say factors that enhance. So in this situation, what I go factors now enhance this thing. The people they take you go the blame. And we people now finance this thing. What do we say about these things? Like our people did this thing a networking, a business.
I want to business. I am not one of true peer group. What you mean say your friend that working in a connection up to Italy. And when all that those kind of people in the associate with have a link to that kind of a thing. So even that kind of friend now working city when you put asa na Ghana, I na ga Italy. Gini ki jime, inwe ha kọrụ, nothing. Agwa gị now a na-agwa ha open the jime who call the hijeme. Ha ga-aga, ana hide this in your hide. The days are gone, man hide here. Ana agwa ha na-aga with their full chest, man ihe je hime. Ana ha na-enwecha insight na ihe je ha jime. Ọ na-agwa gị peer groups. See when that kind of person onye agwa, you have to dissociate yourself from that person. Because at the end, you're not going to gain anything from it at all. So, that some people na fuel the whole thing. But you as an individual, you know what you want in life. You know where you're going to. Like what you know now, ndegela ha kuto na. Mbahi na gas primary school, I gas secondary school. Inwike enwere onye as best friend that time. Ebe ka ono na kwa na nigi na eba. Ana gwa ndị mmadụ also awu nishi. If we had a feature raise nishi. Yeah, nishi. So even that kind of iman onya jota give money her voice. Mo anu eke mo am na dey blunt. Give me block or goes by blocking number rule 100. Block or immediately.
Cheli onwe os etem no so m na block. Insokwu na block go.
ana m adị blunt o, ana m epe ntị okwu o, ana m adị blunt because and ọ na-help m. Ọ na-help m, especially if all your discussions with me is not intellectual. I don't have any discussion that is not intellectual discourse. Any ihe ọbụla na intellectual discourse, count me off. Yeah. So I'm a block go. So you matter you were that kind of person, I'll just block you. I'll just block you. That's me. So even when if you associate yourself from those kind of people, I think the world will be a better place for all of us. Let us start working as a group, work as an individual. All of us neighbor na in the next 10 years. Come see 10 years, 5 years. You see now in the next 5 years. In the next 5 years, Kaiju wine na with the left line on now, we see how name na. In the next 5 years, ebe ka get meto wine. Apefria.
Yes.
So if you want to do aha this sit here up oh. You know na see maybe with the life bigger now. In the next 5 years, ebe ka what will I be doing? Give just may imagine that 5 years. So you may imagine that 5 years, yeah, me na them, you get sit up by force. You go sit up, my brother, you get sit up by force. You get something or not. Just each your way gonna see ebe kigano. This life will be now. In the next 5 years, how will your life be? Give money one individual, forget us. Nobody's name is us. Nobody's we. Individual. Single, you are alone. If you make it today, is your name you make your handage. That your friend Naza Hania and I get them before na property. Kahana would the worst. I used to. That I used to is very, very bad. Yes, that's all I have to say.
Okay, thank you so much. The great.